Hello, I'm going to teach you how you can create a whole bunch of well-designed graphic content for your social media posts and your website needs and all the digital graphic artwork, info artwork that you need using a tool called Relay That. So I have this affiliate product that I want to promote. It helps keep your blood glucose low, and what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to create a whole bunch of social media posts out of it. And I go to relaythat.com and I am going to pick one of their templates. And this seems decent enough. Okay, obviously these photos aren't going to work. So what I can do is I can change them out for some stock footage. I go to images, stock photos up here, and I have an item on blood sugar, so let's see what they even have for blood sugar. Oh, they got some sugar there. So I'm going to take that, drag it, I'm going to put it there. And oh, they have some diabetes related stuff. Let's put that over there. Oh, but I don't like the orange background. I do not like the orange background. Do they have anything else? Let's just put in blood glucose. This seems... well, for the moment, we can just use that. I don't like this logo, so I'm just gonna click it out for now, get rid of it, and then I've got my product here. I'm gonna save, let's copy it. So that's how you upload images, and you can pick stock footage too. Now, I don't want that as the backdrop. Okay, I've got my 3 new images. This, the Health and Fitness Center logo, I'm gonna change that. So we'll do that. And then this says let's do blood sugar. Maybe I don't want blood, maybe I want control glucose. And then we could say with gluco control. Okay, now I've got all the basics there. It's uploaded. Now what if I want to experiment with the layouts? So let's try different layouts. Now I can just completely experiment with a million different looks, and it just automatically, and I change this to my link, and I don't want that logo there, so I'm just going to put let's put that one there. Oh, that file type is not supported. Anyways, we can trade these out, experiment with different layouts. They just have hundreds of different kind of automatic layouts, which you can quickly edit, quickly recycle, and if you don't like the square ones, you can take this same post and you can make it a Pinterest pin. You can make it a vertical rectangle for TikTok or Instagram stories and speak over it. You can do a large rectangle, blog post, Facebook post. There's all sorts of automatic, instant redimensioning of it. There's YouTube thumbnails. This is the fastest way to iterate on artwork if you need to build things fast and keep up with like the daily promotions. So it's called Relay That. You can change your fonts. Like if I wanted this to be cursive, I don't. Maybe I do. Like, oh, you know, you can shift out and experiment. You can, I don't like that one, but what you could do is change the height, create a shadow, make it bigger. You can change the color. You can make this a half-page ad. Just instantly change the dimensions for whatever your purposes are, and it'll still be on brand. There's a lot to play around with. I hope that was helpful. Bye.